From this to this.
You are all successful. Equally, each and every one of you here right now carries the same accountable success in your business, unless you choose otherwise. So I put a post up last week, me picking up my car here. My car that's really adding to my lifestyle freedom, or is being built to really give me the most out of every day of my life. So when I posted it last week, I had such an onslaught of messages of people saying, well, Paul, we see the outside, let's see what the inside looks like then. And you know, this is something that I generally, I'm a pretty private person, but you know what, I'm going to give you a quick journey of what we've done to the inside of this Skoda Romster. So come on, follow me here. So I needed my bike to be available and ready almost 24 hours a day, so I could just get up and go and enjoy getting out there at any given point. And that's the idea of being, you know, when you're a lifestyle entrepreneur, any kind of lifestyle, you want to really make the most of any opportunity. And if we haven't got that available, we'll give ourselves any just excuse actually not to do something that's personal, that's energizing for ourselves. We leave it and make it the next day. And I wanted to avoid that. And that's what this van is about for me. That's what this company car is about for me. So as you see, my bike is in there and locked in and ready to go at any given point. My kit then, you can see what we did was, we did the inside to complement the outside, where we got the leather paneling going on, and you can see there's the netting rack there with the 2 wine glasses, of course, for myself, my dad, when we get out and chill out a little. But you can see that if we come round here, you can see then also what we did was just kind of kept the theme of the biking going right through the car with the white sponsored jerseys, and of course my kit is always ready to go there. And yeah, we kind of really went to town, because what was important to me is that the car demonstrated the outside, which is the business, and the inside, which is my heart. That's what we did there. If you come round to the front here, let me pop round and come in there. What you see is that it was important to me again to really think about the design of what we did and make sure I could have hydration. You know, that had to be ready for me. So I made sure that I had practicality was important also. But you can see they did the nice finishing touches with the leather paneling. Of course, I wanted to get the MTB on the seats, which is the abbreviation for mountain biking. That was important for me also. Once I finished my biking, I needed to get ready for the next going out stage, next opportunity to get out. So, you know, having a wash station, so the guys, and we built in a power wash station, which is run off a leisure battery, which gets charged by the solar panel on the roof. Make sure to place my hydration pack. And okay, got a bald head, so having a bald head, it's hugely important to go somewhere to hang your hats and things, you know. So really, this is what we did with it. We just took it, so the inside of the van really does complement everything that I'm wanting outside my business hours, and then the outside of the van complemented everything about my business. Go for it. What's your vehicle? Make sure that you expose and exploit every opportunity of your day to complement your lifestyle freedom.